Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how I edit my YouTube shorts step by step and the professional editing programs I use. Once we have the base footage we're going to edit, we open Adobe Premiere and import the footage. We adjust the sequence settings to match the resolution of the original video and apply scene detection to separate all the clips. We delete all the unnecessary footage and adjust the duration of the clips that will be useful. Once we have this done, we scale all the clips to the appropriate size and apply manual face tracking using keyframes, clip by clip. It's tedious work, but it's worth it. After that, we copy and paste the clips underneath and apply a Gaussian blur effect. After completing this first part of the editing process, we export at maximum quality and upscale the resolution and frame rate using WinVideo AI. This will drastically improve the quality, making the edit much smoother. We then open another project in Adobe Premiere at 1080p and 60 frames per second. We apply scene detection editing. To fine-tune the edit, we apply appropriate custom transitions and sound effects. Every edit requires custom color correction. I recommend adjusting these Lumetri color settings and using an unsharp mask on an adjustment layer. Finally, we add our watermark, the channel's personal branding. And that's it. We export and adjust the music to fit the edit we've created in YouTube Shorts. The entire process can take between 1 hour and 30 minutes, depending on the length of the short. Thanks for watching, and please support this hard-earned content.